Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Do you know that your Android phone has special dialer codes that can reveal information or check certain phone settings? There are tons of these codes online. But here's the problem. Many of them do not work on every Android phone. So in this video, I am going to show you two useful dialer codes that you can try on your Android phone. But before that, here's a quick rundown of what we will cover. Code number 1, check your IMEI number. Code number 2, check call forwarding status. Plus, I will show you an important tip before trying random dialer codes. Let's check them out one by one. At code number 1, check your IMEI number. First, let us check your phone's IMEI number. Open the phone app, go to the dial pad and enter star, number sign, 06, number sign. As soon as you enter the final character, your phone should automatically display your device IMEI information. The IMEI is a unique identifier associated with your mobile device. You may need this number when contacting your carrier, getting technical support, or reporting a lost or stolen phone. Important note: your IMEI is sensitive device information, so do not post it publicly or share it with people you don't trust. Code number 2. Check call forwarding status. Now let us check your call forwarding status. Open the iPhone app again. Enter star sign, number sign, 21 number sign. On supported networks, this code can display the status of different call forwarding services. You may see information about whether calls, data, or other services are being forwarded. This can be useful if you are troubleshooting your phone or simply want to check whether call forwarding is enabled. Keep in mind that the results depend on your mobile carrier and network. If the code doesn't work or gives you a message saying the service isn't supported, that doesn't necessarily mean there's a problem with your phone. Bonus tip: do not trust every dialer code. Here is something important before you start trying random codes from the internet. Android dialer codes are not universal. Some codes work only with certain manufacturers, carriers, or software versions. And some codes can actually change settings instead of simply showing information. So never enter a random code unless you know how exactly what it does. And hey, for disclaimer section, this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Dialer codes, menus, and availability may vary depending on your Android device model, manufacturer, region, carrier, and software version. Some codes may not work on every Android phone, and carrier-supported codes may produce different results. Wireless Solutions is not affiliated with Google, Samsung, or any Android manufacturer. Please use these features at your own discretion. And those are two secret Android dialer codes you should know in 2026. With the first code, you can quickly check your IMEI, while the second lets you check your call forwarding status on supported networks. Remember, dialer codes are not universal, so what works on one Android phone may not work on another. If this tutorial helped you out, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more Android tips, hidden features, privacy guides, and troubleshooting tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.